A beginner's guide to eating healthy while leading a busy life. If you are a modern day human lost in the never ending cycle of office, home, family, promotions, kids, and expenses, then the daily escape you perhaps look forward to is good food. But while good food looks easy, is elusive. So if your life also revolves around आज क्या खाना है, कल क्या बनाना है और परसों क्या मंगवाना है, fear not. Appliance has come up with meal planning, available right here on your phone. Now choose the time of the day, choose the recipe you want to cook, add it to your list, and voila! Once it's added, you can forget about it and your appliance will remind you right when it's time to cook. And with one tap, your whole grocery shopping list is also ready. So now you are ready to take on your next week. With Appliance, now everyone can cook everything.